Hello, hello. Welcome to my channel. This is Joyce, and today I am talking about networking and building a support system. This is for the writer who's trying to build, a following, and you want people to help in your writing journey. The first thing will be is 5 points. Number one, join a writing group or workshop. You can find writing groups on Facebook. You could also find local writing groups like in your library or different book events. People are always sharing information. They have different websites and blogs where you can sign up to get their information. So a writing group or a workshop would be great because some workshops are hours, say 2 to 4, sometimes even longer hours. And you get a lot of great information on how to become part. And they share information on how they wrote and the different things they did to stay focused. So, again, local and online writing groups are very instrumental in helping. And also, they get to share experiences and give you feedback on how they did it. And being part helps me feel supported and inspired. Okay, that's number one. Number two is attend conferences and events. Now, a conference is actually a good way of doing it because different writers come to the stage, they talk about their books, they talk about their journey, they tell you how long it has taken them. I mean, I make it a point to attend conferences, whether online. I've only been to a couple in person. Book fairs. Book fairs are great because you get to talk one-on-one with the authors about the books they've written. You get to actually purchase some of their books. These are great opportunities to meet other writers, professionals, and possibly potential mentors. I mean, when I took the class in writing, I didn't realize my writing coach would also be my mentor. And in turn, I've met other mentors in the process. So writing conferences and events, that's number two. Very good to have in your arsenal when you're trying to write a book. The third point would be engage on social media. Now, I'm engaging right now on, YouTube, but I also engage in a writing group I have on Facebook. I also engage on another platform. So you can meet with different people that write on different platforms. Social media is just that, it's social, and it's good to talk with other writers, talk with other mentors, possibly mentors that you can work with to help you in that way. So, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, um, writing communities. It's mainly for support to help you keep you encouraged. Okay. So engage on social media. That was number three. The fourth thing is finding a writing partner or an accountability partner. I have a writing group that I'm part of, but there's also an accountability partner in the writing group. Please comment if you want information about an accountability partner. I will share that with you. She's great. She keeps me on point. She constantly helps me refocus. If that's what's missing, you need an accountability coach because if it's left up to me, I procrastinate or I'll think about something else to do. I'll do 10 other things. I'll decide, oh, I need to mop. I need to clean. I need to do laundry. And I really need to write. So having an accountability coach keeps you focused. I believe that a writing partner, you can share your goals with your coach, your writing coach or accountability partner, and also your progress, how far you've come, what you're working on. And it's someone to keep you accountable, basically, someone that you have to report to and that you don't want to look bad in front of because when I start laughing, I haven't done anything yet. I'm working on it. I know, and they also know, Joyce, what are you doing? You know, so an accountability coach or a writing partner is key, one of the main keys to keep you moving forward. And the fifth point is leveraging online resources. Now, writing forums, blogs, websites. You can find so many websites on different platforms dedicated to writing. Join them, join a couple, and just read what they're talking about. Put your 2 cents in. And you know what? People will give you advice, free advice, usually on what you can do, how they did it. So there is, you know, a lot of ways to build a support system. And these are the five that I shared, okay? So please take note of these and get started. If you haven't already, add another support to your already new support system so that you can continue. And it just builds you. It just helps build you in your writing, build your presence in the writing community, and it encourages you. So that's all I wanted to share today. I hope you guys have a great day and get that accountability partner. It's so important. They really help. I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.